everybody, and welcome back to the Curious Realms continuing coverage of CES 2024. We are down here in Eureka Park. We're here with Arnaud right now with Absolute Audio Labs. Pleasure to meet you. You have these incredible hearing aids here. As an audio engineer myself, one of the things that I tell people all the time, you can go have LASIK surgery, you can get contacts, you can even get bionic eyes. You cannot replace your ears. You get one pair of them. There are some incredible surgeries out there, but so many people have partial hearing loss that those things don't necessarily help, and it's too invasive to get involved. So the technology that you guys have developed for hearing aids is pretty remarkable. Tell us a little bit about that.
All right, so I've been a musician all my life, and I damaged my own hearing on stage, and that really made me conscious of the fact that when you start wearing hearing aids, if you have hearing loss, that your music perception is gone, it's not being restored. And that really drove me to start this company. So initially what we did is we developed software that really enhances the music perception for people with hearing aid. And in order to take that to market, we decided to expand that and add speech intelligibility and all algorithms that really make a true hearing aid. So our vision is to promote SOC-based hearing aids. These are hearing aids that are not designed as speech intelligibility improvement and then try to add music, but the other way around. You actually start from a proper audio perception, great for music, and you add the speech intelligibility and all the other algorithms that make a good hearing aid. And that's actually what we're here to demonstrate.
And an amazing job that y'all have done, because one of the things that happens, especially with hearing loss, is you start losing frequencies, either low, high, and the fact that y'all started with music as opposed to just spoken word. Spoken word is normally right up around 1K, things like that, a lot of mid-range. But to know that you're focusing on music first to try to get the entire range of 20 to 20K rather, that's awesome. And then coming with the speech intelligibility behind it. The demo that I just did, this is a very noisy environment, very hard on people. Most people I know that wear hearing aids, even yourself right now, you're probably doing a lot of lip reading right now. But the demonstration that I just heard, even with somebody in this environment like 10 feet away, I was able to intelligibly hear them over this rabble of noise.
Right, no, exactly. And our software development is really focused on that. We want to provide not just good sound and good audio, it is our basis, but speech intelligibility enhancement, that is really also one of our core competences, and we demonstrate that you can actually run that on standard audio socks to get a great immersive sound with good intelligibility, even in such a difficult environment.
Yeah, and now, especially in the corporate environment, we use a lot of assisted listening devices. I've seen some pretty remarkably advanced hearing aids, to the point where people come up, plug something into my soundboard, and they're controlling an EQ right there on their phone. Is your stuff mobile capable as well in that way?
I mean, the stuff that we build is really so versatile. What we do, we take it from all angles. So we do processing, not just on frequencies. We really focus on speech. We have our artificial intelligence to contribute to that, to make it, like I said, a full versatile device, focused on hearing, but from all angles.
Awesome. And what's your beginning price point on this? Because I know hearing aids can range, and they range with quality with that price. So what's the entry point? What's the top point?
I cannot really give you a price, and I'll tell you why. We are a business-to-business company, so we provide it to chip manufacturers who integrate it into their products. Ultimately, it's up to the retail to define the price. But I can tell you that as we're working from standard audio socks, what we just demonstrated on has a potential of dropping price of top-notch hearing aids to about $200.
Wow. Wow, that is incredible, and an incredible savings, especially when you're talking about elderly people on fixed incomes, things like that, people with special needs who have other mounting medical bills. So how long has it taken you to develop the product to this point?
It's been quite a long ride. It's been a good ride. I actually started developing them in my attic about 2012. So the first products that we brought to market on music were in 2017. We started focusing on speech intelligibility in 2018, and right now we are ready to expand it on different chip platforms. So there you go. It's been a ride.
Incredible. It's such awesome technology for such a good purpose, such an absolutely necessary purpose. Where can people go to find out more? Where can chip manufacturers go to get a hold of you to start integrating your product into theirs?
Most information can be found on absoluteaudiolabs.com. That would be a starting point, and we're happy to take that discussion.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so much for the time in this very, very busy CES 2024. While you are online, everybody, checking out everything from Absolute Audio Labs, make sure to stop on by Curious Realm. CuriousRealm.com is where you can like, follow, subscribe, share, and catch all of our videos from our YouTube page. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more amazing coverage at CES 2024 right after this, folks.